Are you sick of paying exorbitant prices at the gas pump? I'm Gina with WTI, and I certainly was tired of that. So I got an electric scooter from GOTRAX. So obviously, the scooter is so much fun to ride, but why do you need it? Well, for one, this feels more like a moped than it does a scooter. It's so comfortable with this nice squishy seat, and the enclosed battery lasts up to 25 miles. This thing picks up and goes. This has all-terrain tires that handle everything from deep gravel to asphalt. This has a nice wide foot deck, but also foldable footrests, so you can choose how you want to ride. If you do want to take this somewhere, the handlebars fold down and you can fit it into a vehicle. Even going 20 miles per hour, the suspension on this makes it such a comfortable ride. This also does really well in different weather conditions. This holds its speed well, and I can even go up inclines without issue. Also, having a bright headlight and taillights makes me feel so much more secure when I'm riding at night. I appreciated that this comes almost completely pre-assembled, and it only took me about half an hour to put the rest of the things together. I cannot recommend the scooter enough, and that's my point of view.